Hello guys, my name is Aman and I'll be your instructor for this course Arduino and IoT. So this course is planned for people who are new to IoT and want to work with more of sensors and learn what IoT is actually. So this course is for you and it is divided into various segments. So first your Arduino and IoT, it is divided with the basics introduction. So coming to the introduction, we'll be learning installing how to install Arduino IDE on Windows, then installing Arduino IDE on Mac OS, then the Arduino board's specification, and then sensors, what are actuators, how to debug and fix errors in upcoming videos. So next part, we will be learning about Arduino programming. So in Arduino programming, you will learn what are the sketches, that is the structure, the control statements, further syntax, arithmetic operator, then you have comparison operator, boolean operator, pointer access, bitwise operator, compound operator, digital IO, analog IO functions, advanced input output functions, your time related functions, math function, trigonometric function, character function, random number function, bits and bytes function, external interrupts, more external interrupts, communication and USB. So these are the programming related videos what you will be learning. Then coming to your sensors and actuators with Arduino Uno. So you'll be learning the first and the foremost basic onboard LED. Then you'll be understanding how the breadboard works. Then we'll write a blink LED program. Then we'll have an LDR with LED. Then we'll see the temperature sensor LM35. Then we'll see DHT11 sensor. Then we'll see ultrasonic sensor. Then we'll incubate ultrasonic sensor with LED. We'll be using buzzer, soil moisture sensor, water moisture, potentiometer, servo, stepper, a 4x4 keypad, and also Bluetooth module. And then we'll be seeing relay. So there are a lot of sensors that we'll be working on with Arduino. Now coming to mini projects, so we will be whatever sensors we have learned, sensors and actuators, we will be implying them and be creating some mini projects. So first we'll create a wireless bulb control using Bluetooth, and then we'll go ahead a step and we will make it a voice control bulb. Yes. Then after that we will build a wireless car that is using Bluetooth, and then we will have a smart traffic signal. Then after this we'll come to IoT. So in IoT, first you will get a brief introduction of what IoT is, how the IoT wireless and communication works, and what are the criteria. And then once we go ahead with IoT and sensors using Node MCU, we'll be first learning how to set up the Arduino IDE for Node MCU on Mac. Then the same will be taught for Windows. How do you download Blink app? Then how does the onboard LED works for Node MCU? Then you will have Blink LED using Blink app. Then we'll be using relay with Blink server, DHT sensor, servo motor, and also we'll be using smoke sensor. After that we'll go ahead and we'll see how data analytics can be done using ThinkSpeak, and we'll be analyzing temperature, soil moisture. After that we'll go ahead and we'll write our own web application using Google Firebase database. So we'll be writing our own web server, we'll be writing our own web application. Then after that we'll go ahead and we'll learn some basic Python. So we'll learn in introduction, we'll learn what is the data structure in Python, and we'll learn few control statements. After getting an intro about Python, then we'll use Raspberry Pi with sensors and actuators. So first we'll learn how to install Raspberry and OS, and then we'll see Blink LED with RPI, then we'll see relay, then we'll see temperature sensor, ultrasonic servo, and push button with Raspberry Pi. After that we'll go ahead and more advanced and we'll do Raspberry Pi and video processing. So we'll first learn how to install OpenCV library, then we'll learn to capture videos using USB webcam. Then we'll go ahead and we'll use OpenCV and we'll use Har Cascade, and we will classify and we'll be detecting pedestrians from videos. Then we'll be detecting cars and bus. So these are the courses what you will be going along. So these are the things what we'll be learning along in this entire course, and it will help you get an idea of what sensors and actuators are and how do we work with things, how do we create an IoT application, how do we create our own application. So hope you guys enjoy the course and take the much of out of this course.